Took about a week off, kind of abandoned this guy. I've been hard at it, making a mess with that. I actually didn't have too bad of a battery setup. I'm going to use this stuff, but that's what I'm going to do next is relocate the battery. It had some Ford motor in it.
It got a Ford motor in it.
Don't need that anymore. So this car, I would like to make it as factory as possible. I'm going to try to utilize what I can of all that. If I wasn't using this, like the white car, it has some welding wire, good stuff. Actually, it's got all that off Amazon. I mean, if you kind of know what to look for, it's kind of self-explanatory. But goal is reroute this stuff. Gonna look under there. Usually it's a little bit easier coming out there. And I've got some little battery junctions that I'm gonna put on it. Had luck with those. And then I have a kill switch as well. And kind of same thing. I've used a bunch of these. They appear to be the same as any Summit Chinese junk or whatever. Had it on that forever. So just going to do it on the same on that. Like to look like a complete street car, but it does need to be safe. Still stock hood struts? Hell yeah. Don't really like that plate. Decided to put it here. Kept moving. I'm just going to make some stickers. But the mini tub is super cool on this car. How they maintained this but made that. So I have an extra ICT billet bracket. I am going to run that up to the engine per what Holly likes. So engine or battery to block to head to head. And so that one will be welding cable after all. But other than that, I need to clean this junk out now, I reckon. So I actually do get to use some of that welding wire for that piece that goes from the cutoff switch to the battery. I mean, it's very sexy. That's 4 gauge. Look how small it is. That'll handle plenty of the power demand because, I mean, it's very dense. I'm sure describing it terrible, but very dense, very small, very malleable wire, very tough. So I may wind up doing the whole car in this. I'll see how that stuff is. I'll check the voltage drop, but I was looking for a grommet. I have a bajillion of these. They actually seal pretty well. I think I used them on a fuel cell or something. So I'm just gonna slide that in there and well, there's that. Not a big fan of those, but when it's the actual right cable that's supposed to go in there, it looks pretty stout. I'm gonna have to get some welding cable. I don't have any more ground cable. All right, the one of the longest ever update between doing the same thing. I was not a fan of it running under the car, so got plenty of slack. I wound up just putting it right there, and then it goes in under that. And then I had a brand new GM starter alternator harness, so I don't know. Hopefully that looks okay. It's not what I put on the race car, but street car wise, that'll be nice. It'll be covered up by hoses and all that. So, and while I was at it, find the winner. That's just hanging out there right now. But that is the engine from the white car. Pulled the heads, got everything looked at and ensured it's freshened up, and all this is mounted